my slay queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this really pretty holiday makeup look. You can create this makeup for Christmas, for New Year's, and also for any of the Indian weddings as well, because it just looks absolutely stunning on any of the Indian wear. And also I have created this look using only affordable products that I got from Amazon. You definitely have to check out Amazon because Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale is still ongoing and it will go up to 22nd December. So don't forget to check out all the links in my description box because they have up to 50 to 80% off on all fashion and beauty products. So yeah, definitely go ahead and make the most of this sale. And now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first step in makeup is of course priming, and first I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. This helps to brighten your skin. It also modifies pores and it gives a beautiful glow onto your skin. I mainly concentrated this product on the highest points of my face. So yeah, again, love it, and it's very moisturizing as well. So next I'm going to take the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This primer helps to give that smooth finish and also minimizes your pores. I absolutely love to prep my face well before starting off with my foundation. Next I'm going to take this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to use this as a substitute for foundation because it's a really good product. It has really good coverage, and also this is good for dry skin because it doesn't like dry out my skin or anything, and it gives a beautiful skin-like finish. So I'm just going to use a generous amount all over my face, especially concentrating on the areas where I have pigmentation and marks, and then with the help of a brush I'm just going to blend everything out. Well, when you're blending your foundation, make sure that you're buffing your foundation in and not like dragging so that it gives maximum coverage. So next I'm going to take the Mars Blossom Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Sand. Yes, this is a little too lighter for my skin, but lighter concealers does a beautiful job in highlighting your face. And since we are going with that like a very glamorous look today, definitely like highlighting your face plays a very important role. It just like brightens your face instantly and just like brings forth all of the the highest points of your face. So I absolutely love like highlighting my face with a lighter concealer, and I'm just going to use on the usual areas. And then so with this concealer brush I'm first going to like blend out everything, and then with the help of a makeup sponge I'm just going to blend further to give that smooth even finish. So now to set this concealer in place, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Loose Finishing Powder, and I have the shade number 01. Again, this is such a nice like a finely milled powder. It doesn't dry out my skin, and that's why I love using this. And again, I'm just going to press the powder into my skin. I'm going to just take a slight amount and press the powder into my skin so it conceals and it doesn't make our concealer budge, and also it makes sure that none of the concealer settle down the fine lines. So again, absolutely great product. I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow application, and for that I'm going to be taking the Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette. First going to take this that brown shade and use it like a transition with this smaller dense brush, and I'm just going to take on the outer corners, as you all can see, like a V shape, and I'm going to mainly concentrate over there, and I'm slightly dragging it outside and just applying there. With the same shade I'm going to like slowly build the crease and add some definition, mostly concentrating on the outer parts of my eye. So it gives like that elongated eye shape. Next I'm going to take this dark plum brown sort of a color, and then again I'm going to intensify my outer corners of my eyes, both on my lower lash line as well as on the upper lash line to like define my that outer areas of my eyes. Again, as you all can see, that is how I'm blending, and it's very important that you blend like that that V shape, because that is the eye look that we are going for today. So next I'm going to take this beautiful copper shade. It is so highly pigmented, and oh my god, I just love this shade so much. I'm going to apply this on the centers of my eyelids, and I am actually using my fingers to do this because these metallic shades perform the best with finger application. And next I'm going to take these two shades. I'm going to mix in both of these and apply on the innermost parts of my eyes and almost connecting to that copper shade. Again, I'm going to apply this with my fingers because, as I said, these metallic shades perform the best with finger application. And again, I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lash line as well. And look at that, you guys, it just looks so beautiful, and it just gives that beautiful that gradient effect. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on my other eye as well, and I'll be right back. So to just intensify even more, I'm make it look a little more smoky. I'm going to take this Sugar Stroke of Genius kajal. This is such a beautiful, like a highly pigmented black kajal, as you all can see. I'm going to tightline both my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line, and I'm also going to smoke out, mainly concentrate on the outer edges, like the outer corners of my eye, and just do like a very thin line on both of my lower and upper lash line and slightly smoke out. And as I'm extending outwards, I'm going to apply a little thicker, so it just smokes out the outer corners of our eyes. And then again with a smudger brush, I'm going to smudge everything a little lightly. I'm going to take it like a straight line. That's exactly how we applied our eyeshadow, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to follow the same thing. And also coming to my inner corners, again ever so slightly, I'm just doing like a tiny wing, but not anything dramatic. And next, to complete off our eyes, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty mascara, and again this is a very beautiful mascara. Just helps to give that volume and length to my lashes. Again, I'm going to apply this mascara both on my upper and lower lashes. So yeah guys, that completes our eye makeup look. So next, moving on to my face makeup. So to contour and bronze my face, I'm going to take this Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder, and I'm just going to apply on the usual areas to just like chisel out my face and also add some definition. I'm first going to place the product, and then I'm going to buff everything out. So yeah, again look at that, it just looks really pretty. And moving on to my blush, I'm going to be using the Colorbar Cheekillusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. And it's a very pretty, like a terracotta warm tone blush, and I think this blush looks amazing during winters. I'm going to apply this blush on top of my bronzer. I'm going to take it upwards like that, so it gives like a snatched, it just like uplifts my face a little more. And I'm also going to take the same blush on my forehead and my nose, my chin, like it's just the usual jazz. And next, moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using the Kiro Beauty Airy Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Eclipse. It's a very pretty, this dark vampy burgundy shade. And I have been wanting to create like a burgundy makeup look since a very long time. So here it is, and look at that you guys, it looks so beautiful. You guys know Kiro Beauty is a clean beauty brand, and these are very pigmented and they're so comfortable on the lips. And also this gives like an even application. And next, to lock all of this makeup and make it long lasting, I'm going to take the PAC makeup fixer so that our makeup stays for a long time and also blends all of our powders together. And then to add some glow onto my face, I'm going to take the Kero Prism Perfect highlighter, and this in the shade number 01 Sandy Rose and Pearly Bronze. So I'm going to take that lighter color, gold shade from the palette, and apply on the highest points of my face. And look at that beautiful glow this highlighter gives. You can't see any chunky glitter. The glitters are just so minute, and it just gives a beautiful like glass skin effect. So that's what I love. And then to brighten my face further, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette in the shade Dulce, and I'm going to take that highlighting shade and just like highlight the highest points of my face. This is such a beautiful powder to highlight your face. It just looks so much brighter and so much smoother. I absolutely love this. Both the contour as well as the powder performs great, but I absolutely love this highlighting powder. And definitely for this holiday season, this is going to look absolutely stunning, and you're gonna look like $1,000,000 with this makeup look. So yeah, that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, as I mentioned before, don't forget to check out Amazon for amazing sales. I'm gonna mention each and every single product that I used in today's video down in the description box. And yeah, if you like today's video, definitely go ahead and hit on that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna catch you all with another interesting video next time. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Bye guys.